Yes, here I'm going to show you how to create memes. I know most of you know that memes are doing great on our Facebook, on our Instagram, on our TikTok, LinkedIn. And in this case, I'm going to show you how to create these memes with much more ease using the meme app. There's a meme app, it's called the meme app, which is right here. If you look at my screen here, there's called Meme Maker app. Free. It's a free one. You can look for it on your iOS or Android or Play Store. Get it here. So we're going to creating these memes. Okay, when I get here, I'm going to click on plus here. When I click on the plus sign, there's what we call the stock meme, or there's what we call the my photos. So in your photos, you can use your photos that you have, or you can have the stock memes. This creates you different memes that are ready to be used. So in this case, we're going to look for any good picture here, or picture or video or whatsoever that we're going to get a meme with. So you look at these stocks that you're given. These are free stocks that you're given. Maybe I'll click on this. Okay. Then I click on next. Now I already have this picture that I want to create a meme with. Now I would want to find out where do I want to put the text. On this down here, we have different areas where you can put your text depending on what is good or smart for you. So I am going to pick up this second one. Okay, I want the text to be up. I can even click here on the border. Border means I am going to have border of it and create a more space in that line. See how I've changed it. I want to put up the text here. I am going to appear on top and put the paste. Now, I'll click something. How I take my tea, knowing tomorrow is a Friday. Okay, ready to hang out. Okay, ready to hang out. So this is what I've created as my text. Okay, so what happens, I will adjust text like this. See how it is. Now after that, I'll look at different versions. So I want to bold my text. I'll click on bold. As you see the characters down here, you see how I've changed using different fonts. So this is how I'm changing different fonts. I create fonts. There are many thousands of fonts here that you can use that you like most. So go ahead and create these fonts that you prefer perfectly. Okay, this is what I want. So you can even change it in whatever you want, how it is supposed to appear by clicking on this right here. You could even decide to change color for it. You could even decide to say, I want it in orange, I want it in yellow, I want it in any color, I want it in red. So after this, you're good to go. And this is how simple we make it. So in this case, I'll say, I am done. So when you're done here, you will definitely come here and save. See how I've saved? My meme has been saved. So where I get the meme, I go back here to my pictures, to my photos, and I'll sure I see where my meme has been saved. I come here and I pick see how it is ready and with much more ease. So I get meme here. I can be able to share it on my Facebook page. I can put it on my Twitter. I can put it anywhere. See how we create memes with much more ease. So all those memes that you like, you download somewhere, you can create your own memes that can increase your engagement on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, and everywhere that you need. So